So the chemical effects of electric current. In class 7th, we have learned that some effects of electric current. Can you list these effects? In class 7th, we have learned about the magnetic effect and the heating effect. That whenever electricity passes through a wire, it gets heated up and it becomes hot, and it may also give off light. The second effect was the magnetic effect, that whenever electric current passes through any wire and a magnetic needle is kept aside it, it will show a deflection. That is the magnetic effect, and you can also make an electromagnet using that phenomena. Now what we will study the chemical effect. For this you have to look at this activity, which is very important, activity 14.6. What they are doing, they have taken out carbon rods from two discarded cells. जो cells होते हैं आपके, if you remove the outer layer, the outer covering of the cell, there is a one carbon rod inside it, right? The rod, small rods which are made up of carbon are placed inside. So what they have done, discarded cells को लिया है and they have taken out the carbon rods. Now next what you have to do, clean their metal caps with sandpaper. Sandpaper से उसको रगड़ के एकदम साफ कर लेना है. Now wrap copper wires around the metal caps and join them with a battery. Now what you have to do, as they have connected this metal cap, wind a copper wire around it and connect these to the cells as shown in the figure. Next what you have to do, we call these as two rods as electrodes. ये जो दोनों carbon rods हैं, हम इनको क्या बोलेंगे? Electrodes. The one which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery is known as a positive electrode, and the one which is connected to the negative terminal is known as a negative electrode or cathode. So they have been assigned names. The positive one is known as anode, and the one connected to the negative terminal of the battery is known as a cathode. Okay. Now what you have to do, place the two electrodes inside the beaker, and the beaker is filled with a conducting solution. Suppose for example you have taken lemon water in it, right? So it is a very good conductor. Now what you can do, you can add a pinch of salt to make it more conducting. What you will see, that after some time, make sure that the metal caps are outside the water. There is a precaution. जो मेटल कैप्स है जहाँ पे कॉपर आपने बाउंड किया उसको ऊपर की साइड रखना है. जो वाटर है, जो कंडक्टिंग सॉल्यूशन है, उसके अंदर नहीं आना चाहिए. ओके, वन थिंग मोर, द लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन विच यू हैव यूज्ड इन द बीकर इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. So you have learned two new terms. Electrodes are the rods which are placed inside the water, and that water or the liquid solution जिसमें से आप conduct करोगे electricity, that is known as an electrolyte. Okay, so let's move on now. The passage of an electric current through a conducting solution causes chemical reaction. Now what will happen? जो आपका conducting solution है, यानी the lemon juice which you have taken, उसमें क्या होगा? There will be a series of reactions will take place, chemical reaction. As a result, bubbles of a gas will be formed. So after some time, what you will see, bubbles can be seen inside the water. What those bubbles indicate? They indicate that there is formation of a gas. कभी भी जब पानी में bubbles उठते हैं, क्या उससे indication होता है? That some gas is being formed inside the water. Then also deposits of metal may be seen on electrodes. आपको थोड़ी देर बाद क्या दिखाई देगा? इलेक्ट्रोड के ऊपर कोई मेटल भी आकर डेपोजिट हो गया है. Change of color in the solution may also occur. Why? If it is a transparent liquid and it is turning into some other chemical which is of another color, so what you can see, you will also observe the change in color. So there are certain chemical effects which are described here. The first one, there would be a change in color. The second one, there would be some deposition on the electrodes, and the third one, what they are saying is that bubbles of gas may be formed. So this is what happens when you take this in. Okay, so there was a British scientist, William Nicholson. He also did the same experiment, and what he saw when he immersed the two electrodes inside tap water. So water is what is the chemical formula of water? H2O. So it is a combination of hydrogen and oxygen. So after some time, what he saw, when electric current was passed through, the water got splitted up into two, hydrogen and oxygen. The bubbles of hydrogen and oxygen were seen inside the water, inside that solution. And oxygen bubbles formed on the electrode connected to the positive terminal of the battery while hydrogen bubbles were getting formed on the other electrode. यहाँ पे एक और चीज़ नोट करने की है, oxygen bubbles were seen on the positive terminal electrode, that is the anode. क्यों? Because oxygen is negative and hydrogen is a positive ion. I'll tell you about this. This is the reason the negative goes to positive and the positive goes to negative. That phenomena takes place here also. Okay, to indicate this, I need okay, so what they are saying, there are two electrodes, one is positive and the other one is negative. As I have told you, the positive one is known as the anode and the negative one is known as the cathode. Then there are two types of ions also. As you have learned that metals have got some charge. Suppose it is a hydrogen. So hydrogen will get positive charge, that is H positive, and if suppose it is oxygen, oxygen will get negative charge. So these are known as, when your chemicals have got a certain charge, your metals or your elements have got a certain charge, they are said to be ions. The charged ones, the charged elements are known as ions. यहाँ पे भी दो चीज़ है भाई, जो पॉजिटिव वाला होता है that is known as the cation and the one which is negative is known as anion. So what happens? The anions which are negative, they move to the anode which is positive in nature, and the other ones, the one which is negative or the the one which is positive, the cation, it moves to the cathode which is negative. So the opposite attract here also. जो नेगेटिवली चार्ज आयन्स होंगे वो पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोड की तरफ जाते हैं और जो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज आयन्स होते हैं वो नेगेटिव इलेक्ट्रोड की तरफ जाते हैं. So using this phenomena, there is another experiment or there is another activity which is done, which is very common.